Welcome back to Mary and Mike English Channel.
What does a price ending in .97 mean at Costco? Is it a sale, or is the item sold out?
We'll answer that and show you why people buy 30 rolls of toilet paper at once in today's story. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a Costco warehouse store.
In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and some Costco staff members.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have 2 questions for you. Please listen carefully to find the answers. This will help you understand English more deeply.
So, here is today's question number 1.
How much is the famous Costco hot dog combo? $1.50 or $3?
And question number 2. What does a price ending in .97 mean at Costco?
Does it mean the item is new, on sale, or sold out?
Both answers are mentioned in the conversation. If you find them, please write your answers in the comments section. By writing your answers in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively.
All right,
Are you ready?
let's begin. Today's story is about 2 friends, Tony and Emma. Emma is taking Tony to Costco for the very first time. Tony has never been to Costco before. He's heard the name, but he has no idea what to expect. And Emma? Well, she knows every corner of that store.
They're shopping for a small house party tonight, about 6 people. So they need food and drinks.
Okay, Tony, we are here. Welcome to Costco.
Wow, this parking lot is huge.
I know, the store is big too. Look over there, that building. It looks like a giant warehouse.
It really does. Like a factory or something.
That is the idea. Costco is a warehouse store. Big building, big boxes, big packs.
I have heard the name many times, but I have never been inside. This is my first time.
Then today is special. Oh, one more thing before we go in. Don't forget, you need a card today.
Card? You mean a credit card?
Not exactly.
My ID? My student card?
Not those either.
My library card?
No, not that. Then what kind of card?
I have no idea. You're making me nervous now.
You'll see at the door. Trust me.
Okay, now I am curious.
Good. A little surprise is fun. Let's go inside.
Hi, welcome to Costco. Can I see your membership card, please?
Oh, membership card. So that was the card.
I'm sorry?
Sorry. I was just thinking out loud. My friend told me I needed a card today, but I don't have one. This is my first time.
That's okay. Are you with a member today?
Yes, he's with me. I have a card.
Perfect. As long as you come in together, that is fine.
Oh, good. Thank you.
It's easy. You just grab a yearly membership and then the whole store is open to you.
This is new for me. In my country, we don't usually pay to enter a store.
A lot of first-time visitors say that, but the annual fee is small for what you save inside.
That makes sense. So the fee is like a ticket.
A ticket to lower prices. That's a nice way to say it.
Thank you for explaining.
Of course. Have fun today. Take your time and look around.
Thank you so much.
One small tip. Try the samples. They're fun.
Samples? Free food?
Free food. Just a little bite. You'll see them inside.
Wow, I am ready now.
Come on, let's grab a cart.
Emma, look at this cart. It's huge.
I know. They call it the extra big cart.
Big store, big cart. Everything is big here. Wait, why is everything in these giant boxes? A box of cereal the size of my backpack. 30 rolls of toilet paper in one pack.
That's Costco. They sell in bulk.
Bulk. What does that mean? Bulk.
Bulk means a big pack with many items inside. You buy a bigger pack and the price per item is lower.
I see. So one big pack is cheaper than many small packs.
Right. Look, 30 rolls of toilet paper. That will last for months.
Maybe a year for one person. A year of toilet paper. Wow.
And look here, 24 bottles of water on one pallet.
A pallet? What's a pallet?
That wooden flat thing on the floor. The big boxes sit on it.
I see it. So they don't move things to small shelves here?
No, they keep the pallets and just open the box. It saves time and space, and it keeps prices lower.
Smart. So can I ask, your membership card at the door, how much does it cost?
There are 2 levels. The basic one is Gold Star, about $65 a year.
$65 a year? That's not bad.
The other is Executive, about $130. But you get 2% back on what you spend.
2% back. That's nice if you shop here a lot.
I have Executive. I shop here often, so it pays for itself.
Hey, Emma, I keep seeing this name everywhere. Kirkland Signature. What is that?
Good eye. Kirkland's Signature is Costco's own brand.
Their own brand? Like a store brand?
Exactly. But people love it. Kirkland water, Kirkland nuts, Kirkland coffee, Kirkland paper towels. The quality is great and the price is lower than the big brands.
So people buy Kirkland first?
Yes, many members buy Kirkland first, then a famous brand only if Kirkland doesn't have it.
Good to know. I'll remember that.
Oh, and here's something even more useful. Look at the price tag. The number ending matters.
The number ending. What do you mean?
Prices ending in 99, like $7.99, those are normal prices.
Okay, 0.99 is normal.
But prices ending in 0.97, that means it is marked down, a small sale.
0.97 means cheaper?
Yes, final price lower than normal. Many members watch for the 0.97 prices.
Wow, it's like a secret code. I will look for 0.97 now.
Good, you're learning fast. Now come on, I smell something good. Hi there, what are we trying today?
Oh, what is this?
Frozen pizza, just heated up. Mini slice, free sample.
Oh, perfect. We're looking for party food.
A party? Then you're in the right spot.
Can I take one for my friend too?
Sure, go ahead. Take 2.
Thank you so much.
How is it, Tony?
It's really good. The cheese is nice and warm.
Right? People love this one. It's a popular pizza.
I can see why. The crust is thin and crispy.
If we want to buy this, where is it?
The pizza is on aisle 12, the frozen section. It comes in a pack of 2 pizzas. Big size. Good for a party.
Perfect. We're having a small house party tonight, about 6 people.
6 people, 2 big pizzas. That works.
How long do I bake it for?
About 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 200 Celsius. The instructions are on the box.
Easy enough. By the way, are there many sample stations today?
Today is Saturday, so yes, we have 8 stations open.
8? That's a lot.
Weekends are the best for samples. More staff, more food, more fun. There's one with cheese on aisle 4 and one with cookies near the back.
Cookies! I know someone who will love that.
Send them over. Free sample for everyone.
I will definitely go. Thank you so much for the pizza.
My pleasure. Have a great shopping day.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you. Everything was easy to find.
Great. I'll start scanning. Just leave the big items in the cart.
Oh, I don't need to lift them out?
No, for big items, I scan them right in the cart. It's easier.
Wow, that is helpful. They're heavy.
Bulk packs are always heavy. We're used to it here.
Wait until we finish shopping, Tony. I'm going to show you the most famous meal in Costco.
Really? I can't wait. Quick question. This box of cookies, the price ends in 0.97. Does that mean it's on sale?
Let me see. Yes, 0.97. You're right. That means it's marked down. Final price.
Lucky me.
Smart shopper. Many members look for that.
I taught him this morning.
Well, you're a fast learner. Okay, I have everything. Your total today is $142.97.
$142. Wow.
That's normal here. Bulk shopping always looks big on the screen, but the price per item is low. That's the Costco way.
That makes sense.
How will you pay today? Tap or insert?
Insert, please.
Okay, insert the card now. Done. All set. Here is your receipt.
Thank you so much.
One more thing, don't lose the receipt.
Why not?
They'll check it at the door before you leave. It's part of the Costco system.
Oh, really? They check every receipt?
Everyone, just a quick look. It only takes a few seconds.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
Have a great day.
Okay, Mike, before moving to the final scene that is about the most famous meal at Costco, let's go over the key phrases from today. I want to make sure everyone remembers them.
Great idea. What was the first one?
The first phrase is, "Can I see your membership card?"
Ah, yes, at the entrance. Can I see your membership card, please? That's how the staff greeted Tony.
Exactly. If someone asks you that, you can say, "Here it is," or, "Yes, of course."
Right. Here it is. Simple and polite.
The second phrase is, "We sell in bulk."
Bulk. That was a new word for Tony. It means a big pack with many items inside.
Yes, we sell in bulk. You can use it like this. I don't need 30 rolls of toilet paper. They sell in bulk here.
A year of toilet paper. I still can't get over that.
The third phrase, "It's marked down."
Marked down. That means the price is lower, like the 0.97 prices Emma showed Tony.
Right. For example, this box of cookies is marked down. The price ends in 0.97.
That's a useful one. And the fourth phrase?
Don't lose the receipt.
Because they check it at the door. Don't lose the receipt. Important at Costco.
Exactly. 4 simple phrases. Can I see your membership card? We sell in bulk. It's marked down. Don't lose the receipt.
Okay, let's go back to the story.
Tony, over here. Sit down.
Wow, you have a tray of food already. What is this place?
This is the food court. It's right by the exit.
A food court? In a warehouse store?
Yes, almost every Costco has one. And Tony, this is the Costco thing.
A hot dog?
The Costco hot dog combo. 1 hot dog plus 1 soda. Guess the price for both together.
$5?
Lower.
$4?
Lower.
$3?
Lower. Come on.
$2?
Even lower.
No way.
$1.50 for both the hot dog and the soda.
That is so cheap. Are you sure?
I'm sure. And here's the best part. Same price since 1985.
Since 1985? They never raised the price? But that's 40 years.
Never. Same price. 40 years.
That's amazing. Most things go up every year.
Let me tell you a real story. Years ago, a new manager at Costco wanted to raise the price of the hot dog.
Oh no, did he?
No. The founder of Costco said no. He told the manager directly, the price will never go up.
Never. He really said that?
He really did. It's a famous story. Members even joke about it. They say, if Costco ever raises this price, the world ends.
The world ends. That's a strong line, but I can see why people love it. $1.50 for a hot dog and a soda? That is not normal.
Not normal at all.
Now I see. The membership card, the bulk packs, the samples, the receipt check, and now this hot dog.
Yes, that is Costco. Now you know.
Now I see why everyone does this.
Welcome to the club, Tony. You are officially a Costco fan now.
Officially a fan. Thank you, Emma. This was a great first time.
Anytime. Now eat your hot dog before the soda gets warm.
Okay, I will.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. By the way, did you know that Costco started in 1983 near Seattle in the United States?
Really? 1983? That's over 40 years ago.
Yes, and now they have more than 800 stores around the world. Japan, Korea, Australia, the UK, Mexico, Canada, France, and many more.
800 stores from one warehouse near Seattle. That's amazing. Now let me ask the questions from the beginning one more time.
Question 1. How much is the famous Costco hot dog combo? $1.50 or $3?
The answer is $1.50 for both the hot dog and the soda. And question 2. What does a price ending in 0.97 mean at Costco? New, marked down, or sold out?
That means it is marked down, a small sale. 0.97 means cheaper. Both answers were mentioned in the video. Did you find them?
If you did, please write your answers in the comment section. Write full sentences, like, the hot dog combo is $1.50, and a price ending in 0.97 means the item is marked down.
By practicing English output like this, your English will grow faster.
On this channel, we share stories in slow and easy English to help you speak naturally and confidently. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment.
We will keep uploading videos like this. If you liked this video, go ahead and watch this one next. And if you haven't subscribed to Mary and Mike English channel yet, go ahead and click the link right here. All right, that's all for today.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye!